The iPhone 16 is a valuable investment, and with daily use, it's exposed to potential damage like drops, scratches, and everyday wear. Protecting your phone is crucial to keeping it in top condition, ensuring it stays free from cracks and scuffs that can reduce its lifespan or impact its performance. A high-quality case not only safeguards your iPhone, but also adds grip and style to suit your personal taste. Whether you prefer a minimalist, slim profile, or something more rugged for added durability, a case is essential for keeping your phone safe and looking great. In this guide, we have curated the best iPhone 16 cases to help you choose the perfect protection for your device. Let's get into it. All product links are provided in the description. Number 10. Pelican Protector iPhone 16 Case. The Pelican Protector case offers heavy-duty protection with a sleek design, ideal for iPhone 16 users seeking robust defense. Its non-slip edges ensure a secure grip, while raised edges around the screen and camera provide added protection. The case is crafted from sustainable recycled materials, reducing environmental impact without compromising durability. With 16 feet of military-grade drop protection, this case shields your phone from falls and daily wear. Built-in magsafe compatibility makes wireless charging effortless, while the shock-absorbing design keeps your phone safe from impacts. For those prioritizing sustainability and protection, the Pelican Protector case delivers both. Number 9. Casetify Custom Phone Case. Casetify's custom phone case for the iPhone 16 offers the chance to create a personalized, protective case with various design options. Made from durable materials like polycarbonate and thermoplastic polyurethane, the case delivers reliable protection while allowing for wireless charging and MagSafe compatibility. It features a lifted camera ring with a built-in stand, adjustable to different angles, making hands-free video watching easy. The case provides 6.6 feet of drop protection, adhering to military standards, ensuring your iPhone stays safe. With its customizable features and strong defense, this case blends personal expression with functionality. Number 8. Spigen Liquid Air Case. Spigen's Liquid Air Case is an affordable, no-frills option for iPhone 16 users. It features a slim, lightweight design with raised edges to protect the screen and camera from everyday wear. The case's textured surface enhances grip, reducing the risk of accidental drops. Despite its minimalist design, the Liquid Air case offers reliable protection, making it ideal for those who want a simple, effective case that doesn't compromise on safety. Its slim profile ensures it's easy to carry, fitting comfortably in your hand or pocket, making it a practical and cost-effective choice. Number 7. Incase Slim Case. The Incase Slim Case offers a sleek, minimalist design without sacrificing protection. Available in a range of semi-transparent colors and a clear version, this case is perfect for users who want to showcase their iPhone's look while keeping it safe from daily wear and tear. The case is thin yet durable, providing a snug fit that doesn't add bulk to your phone. It also includes attachment points for a lanyard, offering additional carrying options for users on the go. If you're looking for a balance between form and function, the Incase Slim Case delivers both in a slim, stylish package. Number 6. Caseology Parallax Case. Caseology's Parallax case is a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. Its ergonomic design offers a comfortable grip, while raised lips around the screen and camera provide essential protection. The stylish geometric texture adds a unique look, and the case is compatible with MagSafe for wireless charging. Despite its low price, the case delivers solid protection against everyday drops and impacts, making it an excellent choice for those seeking both style and substance. Number 5. Torras Ostand Case. The Torras Ostand case combines durability with practicality, making it a top choice for those who want more from their iPhone case. This rugged case features a 360-degree rotating kickstand, which doubles as a grip for secure handling. Its reinforced magnetic back allows seamless MagSafe compatibility, ensuring that charging and using MagSafe accessories is effortless. The raised edges around the camera and screen offer additional protection, keeping your iPhone safe from scratches and drops. Whether you need hands-free viewing or enhanced grip, the Torras Ostand case provides functionality with a sturdy, protective design. Number 4. Mujjo Full Leather Case. Mujjo's full leather case brings a touch of luxury to your iPhone 16 with its premium full-grain calfskin leather exterior. Inside, the case is lined with protective Japanese microfiber, offering excellent resistance against scratches and daily wear. Over time, the leather develops a rich patina, enhancing its look while continuing to protect your device. The case is designed to provide easy access to all buttons and ports, ensuring functionality is never compromised. With a sleek, minimalist design, this case is perfect for those who value craftsmanship and style alongside reliable protection for their iPhone. Number 3. Spigen Tough Armor Case. The Spigen Tough Armor Case is an affordable, reliable choice for iPhone 16 users looking for robust protection. It features dual-layer technology that absorbs shock, safeguarding your device from drops. Raised edges around the screen and camera provide extra protection, while the built-in kickstand offers hands-free convenience for watching videos or taking photos. Despite its sturdy construction, the case maintains a slim profile, making it pocket-friendly and easy to carry. For those who want high-quality protection at a reasonable price, the Spigen Tough Armor Case delivers durability and practicality in a well-designed package. Number 2. Otterbox Commuter Case. The Otterbox Commuter Case offers excellent protection with a lightweight design. This case features dual-layer construction for enhanced drop protection, ensuring your iPhone 16 stays safe from accidental falls. Its slim form factor easily slides in and out of pockets, while port covers keep dirt and debris out of the charging port. Despite its durable build, the case remains relatively slim, making it comfortable to hold and use. Number 1. Speck Presidio Perfect Clear Case. Speck's Presidio Perfect Clear Case offers long-lasting clarity that resists yellowing, allowing your iPhone's design to shine while staying protected. It combines aesthetic appeal with strong defense against drops, scratches, and impacts. The slim profile adds minimal bulk to your phone, making it easy to handle while providing premium protection. Over time, the case remains clear, preserving the original look of your iPhone. Its raised edges protect the screen and camera, making it a solid option for everyday use. This case balances functionality with design. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.